Adhering Chinese culture, Huarigor demands on self-requirement and details control and regards quality as his life. Huarigor is a brand of Dongguan Xiri Electronic Company Limited, which is focusing on R&D, manufacturing, and sales on battery, and the product has been reached to the world such as USA, Germany, Japan, Brazil, and Dubai. The company has a powerful R&D team, scientific and advanced management system. Huarigor product has passed a series of certifications such as CE, PSE, CQC, and ISO 9001 International Quality Authentication. With 5,000 square meters of cell phone factory, Huarigor has the most advanced automatic production equipment and strict quality control system, which makes the company enjoy a very good reputation in the industry. Xiri has been adhered to the production conception of excellence and quality attitude of demanding. The protection board, developed by the high-tech scientific research team of the company, is manufactured by high-precise automatic production equipment, which makes its quality more stable. The solder paste detection machine and AOY detection machine ensure the stable quality of the protection board so that it can protect the battery in real sense. Sound quality management system, complete experimental equipment, simulate variety of harsh using environments and leading experimental monitoring system in China, enables the staff to check the status of experiment at all times, ensuring that every product in the factory can be assured. Thus, each product is produced with a rigorous and demanding attitude. Huarigor mission is to provide safe, environmental, stable, and reliable products to Huarigor user. Xiri Electronic now aims to become the benchmark in the industry. Currently, Xiri Electronic owns the top automatic production lines, choosing the international brand machine laser hands for welding, which is a very important control point. Besides, full automatic assembling equipment contributes to lower the effective rate at the most extent and improve the stability of the quality greatly. At present, the defective rate of production process control is very low, has reached to the leading position in the industry. In the meanwhile, Xiri adopts the leading automatic testing machine to monitor different process, from raw material, producing, and finish the product. Defective products are never allowed to leave the factory. The powerful and efficient producing, quality management team, efficient support team, excellent and highly effective corporate culture, which integrates traditional and a model management concept, makes Huarigor products have a reasonable price, fast delivery, and high quality. This mission is not a dream anymore. Achieving the staff's happiness, both in material and spiritual, contributing to society is our business philosophy. Integrity and win-win result is our cooperation concept. We sincerely invite you to contribute ourselves to green and environment. Based in China, Huarigor is creating an excellent national enterprise and are well received by global customers for a strict quality control.